Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, have you delete or remove a Wistia admin or team member from your account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin or team member from Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, but sometimes they go their own way. So you need to remove access to your Wistia account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove an admin, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and what you're going to do is click on Manage Team. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all the different admins and team members you have in your Wistia account. And in order to delete or remove a member, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is just look for their name, and off to the left of their name, you're going to see this little box, and just click in there. Once the box has a check mark, you're going to click up here on Actions, and then you're going to click on Delete. If for some reason you don't see that, go ahead and just click into their name. Once you click into their name, you're going to see more information about that admin or team member. However, to delete them, here on the top right, click on Actions, and then click on Delete User. Now, before you delete them, you do have the option to edit their user role. So if they're currently a manager, you can downgrade them so they have less access, but that's really up to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin in your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.